that is our infusion pump. Yeah, an infusion pump is a medical device that delivers fluid, such as nutrients and medication, into a patient's body in controlled amounts. They can deliver nutrients or medication, such as insulin or other hormones, antibiotics, chemotherapy drugs, and pain relievers. Now follow us to take a look at this infusion pump.
This pump equipped with a 3.5-inch LCD screen. It can help us to see clearly within 5 minutes and easily to check the infusion data at any time.
Also, with 9 modes for this infusion pump too, can also be fixed stably on the IV stand. If you are interested, welcome to send us inquiry.
And we just talked about this machine equipped with the 9 modes. This button show the half moons. Yes, we can press this button at night and the patients can rest comfortably.
Yes. For the main part of this infusion pump, we apply the user-friendly numerical setting key, which can simplify complex operation.
This part,
yes.
It can provide a long-time use. And let's check the button of our infusion pump. You can see here is an anti-slip base support. It can make sure the infusion pump not easy to reverse and keep stable on the table. Let me show you. When you put on the table, just press it, not easy to reverse. It cannot be moved easily.
And we have a pull and push hook designed for the infusion pump. It is easy for us to open and close the little door. This infusion also has some... let me show you first. It's like this. Can easily open.
This infusion pump also has the sound and light alarm. It can check itself automatically and to ensure the safety of the infusions. This infusion pump also can be fixed on the IV stand. From here is a little structure. And you can screw this part. We don't have the infusion stand today, but I'm sure you can fix it at any place you want.
Yes, we are waiting for your inquiry. If you want to know more information about this pump, please feel free to contact us for further support.